today we are in Lanzarote in this episode, and I will go roam around this small island and we will click some pictures and let's see. It's a very nice island but very sunny in the same time. So if you're coming here, take your sunscreen with you.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
Okay, so guys, first of all, before we start our photo journey, I'm really hungry and my friends, German friends, told me a new word. So when you are hungry, so you can say in German, ich habe Knast.
So Knast.
You can Knast. So this is a new word. So whenever you're hungry and you are with German people, you can always say ich habe Knast.
Yeah.
Zum Essen und nicht zum Film.
Talk in English. It's not a German channel.
I have Knast.
I have Knast.
Was ist hier mit Platos?
Platos.
Okay, sollen wir mal hier bestellen? Kroketten. Bestellen wir jetzt einfach?
We are trying tapas, chicken something.
You don't know what it is?
I don't know. So guys, for this series, this is the first picture we will click. I am in front of a church and I want to click this picture with this nice blue background with the white church. It looks nice. So first is a horizontal and then one vertical. I think this looks nice. This place is very nice for walking around and having this experience with this blue sky and nice sun. So here's the time for the second photo, and I saw something really different in Lanzarote. It's like all the houses have white color with the green doors. So that looks something different. Vertical. So we will click one horizontal. Crazy. So yeah, it looks different, it looks nice. We will go more forward and I will find some more area. Guys, I am here for another picture. So this is our third picture with this view. The streets are very small but very nice. So we will try to click a picture here. So one horizontal, one vertical. Look at this view, guys. This is such a nice view with a lot of boats, and it's an iconic place for Lanzarote. So really want to try this picture of these small boats. One vertical. Guys, they have the real bone of the whale. So here is some information written about this whale, what you can see in the video, and it's written the whale skeleton belonged to a young female of 11 meter long and 8,000 kilo weight. It's stranded in the island of Tenerife in 1995. So that's crazy. Guys, it's time to make another frame because it's very nice. And I can make one vertical. Wow. With the blue sky and the blue colors, what they have in the doors and windows, and the white colors of the buildings looks very nice. And that's the beauty of Lanzarote. So we can go more forward and click more pictures. Hey guys, so this is the time for another photo because this looks very nice frame. Wow. Then we will try one vertical. So nice. So guys, this was the small video from Lanzarote. I love the place, I love the colors here, but it's a very small town and I love clicking this picture. I hope you like this content. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel and let me know how you like this series. If you have some suggestions, you can always tell me, and we will see us in the next video. Till then, happy traveling.